How to share Android internet connection with PC via USB cable. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Login Helps, and on today's video we will see how we can share Android internet connection with your PC via USB cable. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to connect your Android device to PC. So use a USB cable to connect your Android device to your computer. After that, you have to open up settings in your device. On this settings, tap on network and internet. Then tap on hotspot and tethering. Once you're here, you will have this option activated that says USB tethering after you have connected your device with the USB. There, all you have to do is turn on the toggle. And once you have enabled the USB tethering, your computer or your PC is connected to your Android internet connection. But here, this option will only be available when your device is connected to PC via USB. Then your PC should automatically detect the connection and configure it. So once you have done that, now you can go to your PC and Windows will treat the Android device as a network adapter and automatically connect to the internet. Now, in order to check the internet connection on your PC, you can open up a browser or check your network settings to verify that internet is working via your Android device connection. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.